Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace glow plugs on Smart Fortwo in 7 easy steps. If you have a Smart Fortwo and the glow plug light is staying on for a longer time, that will indicate a loss of power. That means that the glow plug is losing its power efficiency and you have to replace it soon. So first, open the trunk and take the cover out to have access at the engine cover. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Tutoriale Auto. Remove the engine cover. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Tutoriale Auto. Here we have a Smart Fortwo with 0.8 cylinder CDI diesel engine from 2006. So here are the glow plugs indicated with the red arrows. So remove the plugs using a long nose pliers, just pull it up straight. The second and the third plugs are more easier to remove it, but the first one you have to remove the plastic part using a flat blade screwdriver to have access at the glow plug. So here we use a flat blade screwdriver to insert beneath that clamp from the plastic and lift it up and move it on the side to have access at the glow plug. And now it's more easier to remove the glow plug, the first glow plug from the left. So you have to use a 10mm long socket to unscrew the glow plug. So remove the glow plugs using a 10mm long socket and a long nose pliers to take it out. Then take it out using a long nose pliers. And here is the old glow plug, and there is the new glow plug. You can find a new glow plug like this in the video description below. Make sure that you buy the same glow plug that you have on the car. To be sure, look for the same serial number that is on the glow plug. Our glow plug has the serial number A6601590001. If you can see they're the same, So this is the new glow plug that is denso, but with the same serial number. So check the serial number first before you buy it. Then install the new glow plugs. Just insert it in the hole. And then use the 10mm socket to put it back. You can find new glow plugs for Smart Fortwo in the video description below. Then put the plugs back on the glow plug using your bare hands, just your fingers. We will put the plug also on the second glow plug. And there it is. And the third one, it's more easier to remove it. It's the same procedure. And then install the plastic part back. You have to put it in the same place. And then install all the parts back in reverse order. So you have to put the engine cover back and lock it. Then put the carpet back and close the trunk. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or send me a super thanks.